Hello, today is Thursday, July 8th. I'm wearing my vest in honor of Gareth Southgate, the coach of the English football team that are currently playing in the Euros. They call it a waistcoat, and he was known for his devilishly stylish look at the last Euros 4 years ago, which featured a waistcoat every game. So in honor of England and in honor of Gareth Southgate, I present the Chris Rusby version of Gareth Southgate. Today we're going to talk about insurance a little bit, and in particular we're going to talk about whole life insurance. And I like to say that there are 3 reasons why you might want to own whole life insurance. The first one is that your brother or your sister works for an insurance company and has sold the policy to you. The second reason is that you absolutely positively want to have insurance in place on the day that you die. And the third reason is to offset your state taxes. And the reason that this is a timely issue right now is because Joe Biden has discussed somewhat letting the estate tax reduction that was passed over the last 20 years sunset, which would mean that the majority of Americans who have worked hard and have paid off their houses and are in high home value areas could have an estate tax issue. So let's review these 3 reasons why you might want to own whole life insurance. The first one being that your brother or your sister has sold the policy to you. In the last 30 years, I've been a financial planner. I haven't seen very many things more expensive than whole life insurance. In fact, I've seen some policies that had 20-year surrender periods, meaning that if you got into them and you got out within 20 years of making your premium payment, you had to pay a back-end penalty. So they are extremely expensive, and they do make the insurance company quite a bit of money. The second reason that you might want to own whole life insurance, though, is that you are one of these people who you just absolutely want to have a death benefit on the day that you die. And as long as you make your premium payments, your whole life insurance is guaranteed to be there on the day that you die. And I've actually had some clients say, well, I want to stick the insurance company. I've been paying this premium payment all my life, and I want to know that it's in place on the day that I die. But the problem with that is that you're not really sticking the insurance company. If you've been making premium payments for 40 years, you're not winning in any way on the day you die. They've made tons of money off you, off the policy, and you're not really coming out ahead. If anything, you're just kind of recouping lost money. But the third reason to buy whole life insurance is actually the one that I think is the best reason, and that is that if you have an estate tax problem, you can purchase a whole life insurance policy that will be in place and will pay the estate tax. And again, right now, with a $9 or $10 million exclusion in most parts of the United States, that's not a big issue for a lot of people. But depending on what could happen over the next 6 months to a year, that number could go back to $1 million exclusion, which would mean anybody with more than $1 million or two could have an estate tax issue. So those are some of the reasons why you might want to own whole life insurance. And those are just some of the anecdotal lessons I've learned through the last 30 years that I've been a financial planner. We'll be coming out with new content here real soon, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you follow my website. We're going to have a page on our website up real soon with all of my videos, so that if you don't follow social media and you don't want to have to look for my videos on social media, you'll be able to just go to our website, which is appliedfinancialwisdom.com. And as always, I just wish you a happy day, a successful day, an enjoyable day, and I'll be talking to you real soon with future content. Thanks.